What's up, y'all? This is Ariel, and welcome to Divine Motivation. All right, today we're going to be discussing faith and why is faith important, how to build faith. Listen, I'm sure you've heard about faith in the Bible or on videos or in books, but do you actually know how to utilize faith in your life? Now, this is a very crucial aspect of manifesting because you might run into times, in fact, you probably will run into times where you feel like your manifestation isn't coming or, isn't moving or isn't progressing at all. And the difference between people that give up and people that continue on and actually get what they want is that faith level. Persistence has a lot to do with faith because it's quite hard to continue doing something if you don't believe in it. So here's how you build faith. Mental conditioning. You can condition your mind for anything that you want, any amount of money, any circumstance that you want to be in, any situation that you would like to see unfold in your physical reality. You can do that. And to be honest, your mind is already conditioned right now. I don't know what it's conditioned for, but just look at the life you're living and you can kind of see what your beliefs are, what you've been conditioned to believe. And that's why you're living the life that you're living now. So this is very powerful. And truly taking your power back looks like deciding what you want and saying, you know what, I'm going to feed this to my brain, right? And until this happens, I'm not going to give up before it happens. I'm going to continue feeding this idea to myself because I want it that bad, and then it will become reality. That's true power. It's one thing to know it, but it's another to do it. So when you do this, you're exercising your divine authority over your life. So when you see the results of your mental conditioning, when you see your life start to change and the things that you desire coming into this physical reality, there's nothing that is quite like that. There's nothing that can replace that feeling and that realization that, wow, this works. I am in control of my life. I am in control of my destiny. Nothing can replace that. Those experiences will build your faith. And every time that you bring something into reality, manifested in front of your eyes, that's like another notch on your belt to be like, hey, yo, I can really do this. No matter what, I can manifest myself into any situation that I want to be in. That's very powerful. It's a very powerful realization. And it's all about mental conditioning. Okay? So your faith is something that is invaluable. This tool, faith, will turn into confidence. Right? Having that faith will give you confidence in anything that you do in life. That's why it's so fundamental. As you start to exude this confidence, you'll notice that it's a very contagious energy. People will come up to you and want to help you in your projects a lot of times. They might want to give you things for free and just try to be of service to you, all because you believe in yourself. And this is rooted in faith. So it's very important to learn this and then to utilize it in your life because money can't buy faith and money can't buy confidence. What is true is that you can use those things to produce money. Now, do not give up. Persistence is so important because if you give up, you never get that opportunity to build that faith muscle. This is a vibrational universe. And we all have the ability to tap into exactly what we want to experience because all states and all probabilities exist right now. So that means that whatever that you can think of in your brain, whatever you can feel right now is possible. It is. So I say, use it to create the best life possible. Here's the attitude that you should begin to have. I know that whatever I want, I can manifest it into this reality. I know that that's my right as a citizen of this universe to be able to bring my desires into reality. That's number one. Number two, use it for good. I'm going to use it for a good and loving reason. Okay, so next, what do I want? Well, I'm going to write down exactly what I want on a piece of paper, and I'm going to read and recite it in the morning, especially in the morning and especially before I go to sleep, because I know those are the two times that my subconscious mind is most impressionable. And hey, I might recite it throughout the day as well. I'm going to put representations up around me of what I want so that I'm constantly reminded of exactly what I'm trying to bring into this reality. And my subconscious mind, it's going to accept those signals and accept those messages, and it's going to do what it needs to do to produce it into this reality. I'm going to use my mind to manifest exactly what I want. And this is divine knowledge of self. Once you have knowledge of self, it's a wrap, okay? You're good. Once you have that faith in your back pocket and that inner knowing and that inner peace that I know that the good things that I want to bring into my life, I have the ability and authority to do that, and nothing and no one can stop it. Nothing. Even if someone tries to come in, let's say, and tries to bring negativity to you or into your bubble, so to speak, all you have to do is redirect your attitude, redirect your mood and your attention, and put it on what it is that you want. Put it on good things of a higher vibrational frequency, and you will be good. You'll still be able to get what you want. So this knowledge is truly power. Okay? Especially when you have that faith level and that confidence in yourself that you know that, hey, I'm not going to give up until I get this thing because I know that this law works. So go out into this world commanding what you want. Speak it into existence. Speak goodness and lovely things into your life. Do not go out there feeling that you are powerless. There's nothing that you can do to get what you want. You're stuck at that job. You're in that 9 to 5 and you'll be there forever. Don't think like that. If you want to change your life, you have to change your thoughts. You have to change the vibrational frequency that you are offering into this universe. That's the only way that things are going to change. No amount of weeping, no amount of just being negative, no amount of complaining is going to change the reality of the fact that you have to change your thoughts in order to change your circumstances. That's just how it is. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, in case you aren't already. I do offer personal coaching, so if you're interested in that information will be in the description box below. And if you're interested in making a donation, that information will be in the description box below as well. Leave me a comment. Let's get this conversation started. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.